Okay, here we are about 2 weeks later. You can see all the carpet that was moss up here is now all dead. So we'll be brushing all this off, making sure it's all blown off. So Paul is using a real soft bristle brush to just kind of get the dead moss off the roof. This house has gutter guards, so they're able to get all the debris right off the gutter guards pretty easy with that brush. But the main thing, obviously, other than being an eyesore, is the moss likes to grow right between where the shingles are. And so if it gets real bad, it'll actually break the asphalt seal on the shingles, which just leads them to be prone to flapping in the wind or blowing off, or even letting, since moss can hold a lot of water, like a situation right here, it'll just soak up and rust out the fasteners and can lead to quite a few little issues. So obviously this is looking great so far, but there's actually some practical uses of getting your roof clear of moss. So it's looking real good so far. All right, we just wrapped up here. So we still got to clean up the grounds from where all the moss came off of it, but this is looking real solid. So the homeowner will obviously be able to have a nice looking roof and then get a little bit more life out of his shingles. And of course, before we fully wrap up, we hit it with zinc just one more time, just for any of the leftover residue. We can make sure that the moss that we didn't get doesn't grow back, and any new growth doesn't come either. And perfect timing because the rain's right about to start, so the zinc will be able to wash down the roof and look real nice and keep things from growing back again. So